How to use Chase Freedom Unlimited. The Chase Freedom Unlimited card is all about earning cashback rewards on your everyday purchases. You can use the cashback for everything, and yes, you can earn it from everything as well. The beauty of the card is the unlimited 1.5% cashback on all purchases. So swipe it for groceries, gas, bills, and more. You will get maximum bonus that is up to 3% cashback in two of the categories. That is dining, including your takeout or delivery, and drugstores. You'll get the opportunity to track your spending to ensure you have the advantage of these boosted rewards. To redeem the cashback, you have multiple redemption options. Starting off is a statement credit. Reduce your credit card bill by applying your cashback as a statement credit. Directly deposit to your linked bank account. Redeem for your gift card or book a travel with Chase Travel. Indeed, it is a freedom. We hope you found it informative and helpful to you, and thank you so much for tuning in.